Most businesses think they are safe with email marketing because they are not spamming anyone. But compliance doesn't break when you intend to spam. It breaks when you forget one small thing. One missing unsubscribe link, one unclear opt-in, one list you didn't collect properly. And suddenly, it's not just about spam folders. It's about your domain reputation. And once that's damaged, your email don't just perform badly. They disappear. This isn't a legal lecture. This is a survival guide. What compliance really means. Email compliance isn't just a law thing. It's a trust system. Frameworks like GDPR, Can Spam, and Castle exist to protect people. But inbox providers use those same rules to decide whether you deserve access to the inbox. If Gmail doesn't trust you, your campaign doesn't matter. If Yahoo flags your domain, your audience never sees your message. Think of the inbox like a private space. You don't show up uninvited and you don't stay after someone asks you to leave. That's how real brands last. The non-negotiable rules. If email is part of your business, these are not optional. First, you have to understand consent is everything. Buying lists won't get you results. Scraping emails only create problems. Real growth comes from clear documented permission. Second, authentication matters. SPF, DKIM, and DMARC aren't technical extras. They're proof that you are legit. Without them, inbox providers assume you are unsafe by default. Third, unsubscribing must be frictionless. One click, no Shakespeare and drama. Making it hard to leave is the fastest way to get reported. Fourth, be honest, always. Your sender name, subject line, and physical address must reflect reality. No misleading hooks, no bait. And finally, respect the data. Where subscriber data lives, who controls it, and how it's used, that compliance too. Email compliance is really about one thing: control and transparency. The problem with AI personalization. AI has changed email marketing, but it raised the bar. Personalization is powerful, but without consent, it becomes invasive fast. If your email feels creepy instead of helpful, you have already lost trust. Modern compliance means being transparent about how behavior is tracked and used. AI should support relevance, not cross boundaries, and inbox providers are watching closely. So, what's the ultimate solution? This is exactly where FluentCRM fits in. FluentCRM isn't just an email tool, it's a compliance-first system. Everything happens inside your own WordPress dashboard. You see when and how someone opts in. Consent is logged automatically. Double opt-in is built in. Subscriber data stays on your own site, not rented from a third-party platform. Because it's self-hosted, you don't lose your audience overnight. No platform lock-ins, no surprise policy changes. Compliance stops feeling like a burden when your system is designed around ownership and clarity. Email marketing is a privilege, not a shortcut. Respect the inbox, follow the rules, use tools that give you control. Do that and deliverability improves. Trust compounds and growth becomes sustainable. If you want compliant, high-performing email campaigns without giving up ownership, FluentCRM gives you exactly that inside WordPress. And if this video helped you rethink email marketing, subscribe to WPManageNinja. We break down smart strategies that help you grow without cutting corners. Stop renting your audience, start owning it.